Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with a new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located on the left corner of the footwell. Remove the passenger rug. Use a T20 Torx driver to remove the two screws securing the footwell sealing panel, though this model we were filming was missing one. Disconnect the light from the panel. To access your cabin air filter, pry the left kick panel off carefully. Pull the carpet back slightly to gain access to the cabin air filter. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1176C filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing towards the back of the car. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. You will need to twist the filter to get it into the housing. Reinstall the filter housing door. Replace the rug to its original position. Reinstall the side panel. Reinstall the back panel. Reconnect the footwell light. Reinstall the footwell panel. Reinstall the screws. Replace the rug to its original position. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.